finest art. Foraged ingredients. The logic we curate our recipes. The community, the bounty that we unhide. Lasagna, vegan, plant-based, made special and whole. With giant puffball, Calvatia, gigantea, and Lactarius, to nourish. Foragers, Wellington, by Karen, not Erin. Tom brought books to share with attendees. C.O.M.A is not club of mysterious aromas. C.O.M.A is not cooking, only my allergens. C.O.M.A is not cherishing on mycological Ascospores.
The business part of the meeting commenced. Vice President Harry, Treasurer Helena, Secretary Julie, with a washroom hat, President Joe